To keep the incremental image chain as short as possible, we have a consolidation feature on ImageCenter. Use the consolidation wizard, choose the image set, go next. First, you need to choose how often you want to run the consolidation. Normally, it's enough to run it once a day or once a week. In my example, I will run it at 9 p.m. every Sunday. This is now my example. Go next. And now I want to explain the consolidation settings. The first option is leave latest incremental files. That means if you run each hour one incremental file, this would keep the last 30 incremental files. So the last 30 hours of incremental changes will be always in your list. If you want to increase or decrease, just keep this and change the settings. How long you want to keep the original incremental files after they are consolidated? This is the next setting. If you want to directly remove them from the backup storage to have more storage space, just untick the box and the original files will be deleted and only the consolidated file will be left. If you want to keep the original files a little bit longer, by default, it will keep them until the next consolidation task has been executed. If you want to keep it longer, no problem, just choose the option keep and specify the days how long you want to keep these incremental files. By default, all these incremental files are stored in a subfolder. It's called Consolidation Original. The next option is reconsolidate already consolidated incremental files. If you want to keep like an interval of consolidated image files, then keep this setting. That means if you run once a week, like in my example, you would keep each week a consolidated incremental file. In this example, we could keep it in a specific time, like keep the last 15 consolidated incremental files. In my example, it would mean the last 15 weeks. If you don't want to keep them and you want to keep the chain as short as possible, just untick the box and it will not recreate a new consolidated file. You have maximum one consolidated file which merge all the content together. The last setting is use smart consolidation. This setting only works if you already use deduplication compression feature on the image files. If you have only regular compression, this feature will do nothing. And it takes really long to merge the data with deduplication compression. So it's not recommended because it takes really long. The last setting is just to allow other applications to also run consolidation. It's not recommended to use this setting at all because it only would cause conflicts. Now you can specify to inform via getting an email if it's successful or failed. And at the end, you can export your settings as a template file to reuse your consolidation settings to different image chain.